Yeah. Right. Come up. Right. Our lesson for today is come close, right? See the body difference. They are same in height, but see this guy is bigger than this guy. And where is your opponent getting the confidence? Is it from training? Is it from that's? Remember, I always said self-defense is all about the mind game, right? The mind game. Now, the first thing you should know that where that this guy getting the guts of approaching you like that, right? So, whenever you are dealing with any situation in the streets, make sure distance control. I don't mind when someone's talking rubbish while it's 2 meters away from you. Don't mind, right? But the moment he approaches you, that's good. The moment he approaches you like this, anything gonna happen to your life. See this guy just come. He knows that he's a very good backup, you know. So he was approaching you. Get it? So distance control, right? This guy now is coming, right? He's talking whatever he wants to talk. I don't mind, but I just mind when he steps toward me. Like this guy is coming. I use my longest weapon to stop him. I don't know what is that is like. Even if he doesn't have anything in his hands, the more he approaches me, like he's coming, right? Come like you want to fight, right? See, you can speed up, right? Pick up with your knife. Come with the knife, right? Coming, right? See the distance. Come slowly, right? Slowly, distance, right? I use my longest weapon, right? From this, right? Now come with same speed. See this? If you just turn like this guy, you're gonna fall down. Something gonna happen to you, right? So the moment this guy approaches me, come. I use my longest weapon. Then disappear. That's the reason why we practice like this, from the same position, right? That's neutral position, no problem. Now come. Now, don't forget this. Why? You still have got this knife. Chun, I don't want to re-engage again. Right? Okay. Here you go. Use your longest weapon. Move. Good. Right. Very good. Okay. Put power. Okay. Go. Very good. Right. You're using your longest weapon. You see, you can be same in height. Use the hip. Hip in. Go. Hip in. You're not putting the hip. Hip in. Right. You get it? More pitch the hip. Now safe. 2. This front kick should be targeted here. Target here. The longer, the biggest part of the body, and is the weakest in terms of speed. Right? So you target there. Don't target anywhere. You miss. Right? That coming. This guy's coming. Just boom. Then make sure it disappears. One more time. Quickly. Okay. Very good. You like that one? Okay, that's our lesson for today. See you on to the next lesson.